Part 1. CCD camera setup for the Heliner sign cut machine. Select the marking template. This is what the camera will look for when it tries to identify a marking point. Press the camera F3 button to open the CCD. The viewing window of the camera will be displayed in the top left corner, highlighted by the mouse now. Take a look at the current Z position of the router. We need to move this to the correct focus position for the CCD camera. To do this, press the Move to Focus button, and the gantry will move to the focus height of the camera. When a CNC file is run, the first mark point must be visible to the camera. Move the gantry until the first marking point is within the camera field of view. This location can be approximate. As long as it is within the field of view, the camera will detect it. Press the Load Current Coordinate button to save this marking location. Press Move to Start to return to this location. Part 3. Loading image files with CCD functionality for the Heliner sign cut machine. Start by heading to the File Management section of the program window. Press File Directory and select the directory or USB drive that you wish to import files from. Select the desired image file and then press Load. The graphical window will open automatically. Part 2. Setting the mark points. The physical object we will machine must have a series of register marks, or marking images, that the camera can recognize. Heliner's CCD system works by identifying the location of these marks, calculating the location and angle of the part, and offsetting the toolpaths in the CNC program. To enable this, the CNC file must contain the same mark points. This is so the machine knows where the toolpath should be relative to these points, and roughly where it must move to find the physical marks. The program will suggest marking points, but these should be selected manually. We will be using these 4 circles as our marking points. When the CNC program is run, the camera will move to these 4 locations and attempt to find the marking image. Select the circle, press the Mark button to designate it as a marking point. It will be highlighted in pink, which indicates it has been successfully set. There are 3 more marking points we will need to set. Press the Mark All button to identify all of these points automatically. Observe how all 4 points are now highlighted in pink and numbered 1 to 4. Set the machining parameters for the toolpath in the layer window. For more details on these parameters, refer to Heliner's loading and editing image file video, where we cover this topic extensively. Enable CCD mark points in the parameters window. Then, press Create File to load and generate the new CNC file. Return to the CCD window and press Move to Start Point. This will return the camera to the set location for the first marking point. The first marking point must be visible to the camera, but does not have to be centered. Press CCD Start, and the machine will attempt to locate each of the marking points and zero in on them. The machine will use this data to offset the CNC program to align with the real object. Machining will start automatically once this process is complete. Let's take a look at the actual router to see this process in action. It's now locating the first hole, the second hole, the third hole, and the final hole. Spindle is now starting. Traveling to the start of the CNC program. It's beginning to machine. It's currently above the object just for this demonstration. I'm now going to intentionally misalign the part, and then rerun the program, and we can watch it re-identify the location and adjust to the new alignment. Make sure to move the camera back to the starting hole location before machining the next piece. This location will have automatically been updated with the last detected hole location. Custom templates can be set to locate different types of objects. Move the camera manually till the marking image for the new template is in view of the camera. Press Move to Focus Height to focus the camera on the new image. In the Template Add tab, select the type of image we are trying to detect. In this case, because it's a circle, we will use the round option. Use the stepping motion mode to center the new marking image with the green circular reference frame in the camera view. It is important that this is done accurately. Here we can observe a well-aligned and an unaligned image. Press Add Template and save it under a new name. Select the newly saved template to load it into the system. We must test and verify that the machine can consistently and accurately detect the new marking image. Press the search button. If it can locate the image, a red cross will appear at the center. Move the gantry and repeat this test. Repeat the same test for various different marking points. Make sure it can detect them all. Thanks for watching the final video on the Heliner sign cut machine and SDR control system. Be sure to check out this machine on our website, link in the description, and good luck with all your CNC projects. Cheers.